On behalf of Department of Fertilizer, I'm here to share the update on the fertilizer availability for the Kharif season. Against the requirement for the Kharif season, we have the stocks available up to 51%, while conventionally it's usually 33% that is being maintained. This shows that advanced stocking is there, and proper logistics management has been done by the government. The domestic production and import of fertilizer, some figures that I like to share. For urea, DAP, NPK, SSP, all the fertilizers taken together, we have the domestic production of 104.81 lakh metric ton, that is after the crisis period, and about 27.62 lakh metric ton of imports have reached our shores. So approximately 132.43 lakh metric ton of fertilizer it has been added to our availability after the crisis situation. Country has already secured about 25 lakh metric ton of urea, 15 lakh metric ton of DAP and other complexes from the routes other than the Strait of Hormuz, which will be arriving during June and July. And we have also issued another global tender for procurement of 17 lakh metric ton of urea, which is under progress. Besides, the domestic production is also up to date, and it's in fact higher than the same period last year in both urea and DAP. Availability on the whole is being regularly reviewed at the highest level. And another update that I'll want to share with you is that due to the El Nino effect, we had some reports that the IMD forecast report says that the monsoon are expected to be lower. So we requested the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare for a reassessment of fertilizer for the Kharif season. And based on the regular interaction with the states, we have been informed that against the earlier communicated quantity of 194 lakh metric ton of urea, the same has now been reduced to 190 lakh metric ton by the states. And likewise for DAP, there has been a reduction from 66 LMT to about 60 LMT by the states. Thank you.